In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Ollama in Windows and also how to run models locally. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Ollama and we'll be having the download Ollama link over here. Select it, and here we are having download options for Mac, Linux and Windows. For Windows, we are given two options. One is installing it through the PowerShell by running this command, or we can simply click on this download for Windows. I will just click here and the download will be getting started. It is around 1.8 GB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the Ollama setup. Just click on install. Once it is installed, we'll be automatically getting the Ollama interface over here. If you go to search and type Ollama, we'll be having the Ollama app. You can pin it to taskbar or create a desktop shortcut. Now to go to settings, to the leftmost top you are having this show sidebar. Click it and select settings. Here we are having quite a few options. One is connecting with the Ollama account. If you want to do that, you can do that. These are fine. The most important things over here are the model location and the context length. If you want, you can change the model storage location over here. The reason being, certain models will be around like 10 GB, 50 GB or even 100 GB. In case if you are not having space in a particular drive, you can change it. Okay, so in my case, I will just go and change it. And next is we are having the context length. They have given a definition for it. It determines how much of your conversation local LLMs can remember. So in case if you are going to have very long conversations, you can even keep it at max. But if you are going to have very short and quick conversations, you can just have it around 4K or even 8K. Because the more context length you are going to have, the more time the model is going to take to generate the response and more processes it's going to incur. So for quick conversations, try keeping it as low as possible. And if you want to reset to defaults, you can do that also. So now let's see how we can download a model. So here we are having an option, right, to select a model. Click here. Here we are having these many open source models. If you want, you can search any model over here. But here we don't have all the open source models listed. So to find out everything, just go to Ollama and to the top we are having the models option. Click here. And here we will be having literally everything. We can filter based upon cloud, embedding, vision, thinking models. So many of them are available. So let's suppose say I want to go with the Llama models. I will just search here Llama, and as you can see, I'm having Llama 3.1, Llama 3.2. So I will just click here, and here we are having the command, CLI command to run it. So in case if you want to use it, you can directly use it over here. If you just scroll down, we are having the models along with its size, context and the input type. So here we can simply copy the model like this, and if I go here and just paste the name, so I can just select the model and I will just type a message saying hi and send it. So now the model has to be downloaded first. As you can see, it needs to get downloaded, and only after it gets downloaded, we will be able to perform chat with it. Once the download has been completed, as you can see, I have got the response. So let me type another chat. My name is Tim, something like this. And as you can see here, it's giving me the response. So let's suppose say you are downloading a very large model around like 50 GB or 100 GB. In that case, you need to also have that processing power, or else you'll be getting the response very slowly. It will take a lot of time. And similar to the chat GPT, we are having the new chat option. And if I type another message, this will be coming as a new chat over here. We can simply right click and delete this also. Yep, that is done. And another thing that they are having over here is the cloud models. So what this means is we don't have to download the model and run it locally. Rather than that, Ollama will provide this model itself and we will be getting the response. So let's suppose say I am going with this GPT OSS 20 billion cloud model. I will just select this, and here it says cloud models require an Ollama account. So I will just click on sign in. So this will redirect you to the browser. Make sure that you are signing in with Google or GitHub or your email. So after you sign in, I will just type something, and we'll be getting the response instantly because this is going to be directed to Ollama's cloud and it will give us the response, and the model is being ran over there. And here they're having so many plans. In the free plan, I guess we will be getting some limited access to the cloud models, and in their pro plan, as it clearly says here, right, 50 times more cloud usage than free. So they will be having some limitations with this free tier usage of cloud models. That's basically it, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.